Just got back from a little walk down to the mailbox and I got stuff. First, let's get this package done. This is some eBay orders that I got. What could it be? What could it be? I already know what it is. It's a head. You're probably wondering, Keels, why did you get a head? Well, why did I? So I could do this? So I could set that up. Put the Deadpool mask from Bambox on a thing and set it up there. Or somewhere that I can see. Pretty awesome, huh? Great idea. Yes, it is. Alright, now for the next box. Also an eBay order. AMC's The Walking Dead. It is Season 4 Part 2 trading cards. Cryptozoic. Look for randomly inserted autographed wardrobe cards and wardrobe and prop cards. And it contains 24 packs. 5 cards in them. This will be fun. We'll be opening this up in a second. Not on this video, mind you. But in a second. So that is my eBay haul video. Mail call video today. See you in a bit.